Guys, just see the monkeys are here seated on my balcony. They're eating what? Maize. There's some maize there. I can't, I don't open the door because they'll run away. These are, there are monkeys here.
Yeah, even I saw some outside.
This one is eating the maize that was there. The one you refused to eat. Oh my god. Or we give them banana?
Is there?
Yeah, we have some bananas. Should we give them?
Yeah.
But it's Azita Turukia. Only one. We cut for them.
Yeah.
Come hold for me this. Let me, I pause first. Let me pause. I want to give them bananas, but now I don't know how to do it. If I open the door, they'll run away. Will they? I hope they will stay still. Let me see if they will not run away. Monkeys, I want to give you bananas. Don't run. I don't want to fight with you. What are you doing in the mackerel? Here, monkeys. Yeah, they're here. They've not run away. They're here. Come take these. Come. How will I give it now? Take this one.
Maybe
Take this one.
it's about to come for you.
Take this one. Take this one. I don't want to beat you up. Just take this one and go away. Or I put it for them down here.
Yeah.
On the floor.
Yeah, maybe try them.
They're afraid of picking from my hand.
I don't know.
Monkey, take this one. I'm giving it to you wholeheartedly. I don't have issues with you. Take this one. Everyone one. I've cut for you. Or you don't like half things? Take this one. Okay. Hey, this one has taken. Thank you. This one is yours. Take this one. Give to your brother. Share. This one has taken. I don't beat it. Guy, it's not sharing. Why am I delay? I gave you now turkey. Now your brother has taken all. Wacha nikatie. Hold it. This one here. Yes? Just like this. Don't. Let me get it. A banana. But
Yo. This monkey wants to come on me.
Monkey, chukua this one. Here is yours. Take this one. Chukua, don't be afraid. Asha move.
Najua kitu anataka. Anataka uikate.
Si meikatia ndio hii. Ile imechukua mbili. Shika. Take this one. It's not a trap. Just take it and go. Your brother amechukua, wewe utaki. Shika.
Yeke hapa mami taichukua amechukua na hajaogopa.
Pick from there then. You don't want to be given from the hand.
Anakula ngozi.
Bye.
He's removing.
It's eating now. The other one took all of them. The brother is here. It's seated down there. It's eating. Si nilikuwa nakupea ndizi vizuri. You thought I'm just tricking you. Go eat it. You people, you just said you. It's enjoying the banana. Come see the way they're eating. Nini kinaweza wapi? Sasa wameacha mahindi walikuwa wanakula. Na mahindi nilitupa nikidhani kumbe zilikuwa zisaidie monkey. Ai, shida mnachafua. You just throw the pills down over there surely. Aka kalichukua mbili kakora sana.
So let's give the other monkey.
We are not adding them, eh? Check it. Me, I don't want cases of yogurt and what. Monkey. Kale kengine kako huko chini. You can see it. Hi. Leo mmeamua kunitembelea, mmenimisa. Mjakuwa mkinipata mkikuja. Lisi mmenipata leo. Bora msirudi kuniibia. Saa ile nimeacha mlango. Don't come back and steal. I know. See, I know. Kale kamemaliza. Sasa kanakula aje kakichafua. Shida zao ni hiyo. They just throw the pills all over.